morning, guys! Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm getting ready. I will go out. Ako lang mag-isa. Lalabas ako. Diba, bongga? Bibili ako ng chicken. Kasi yun yung dinner namin mamaya. I'm not sure if you guys remember. Yeah, pero bumili... I don't think I showed it on my vlog. When we went to Manila Trading, we bought the crispy fry para sa chicken. So, yun yung ulam namin tonight. And wala kaming chicken. So, bibili ako ng chicken. Meron kasing malapit na supermarket dito. So, I will go there. By the way, I'm using this Color Collection Perfect Cover Cream Concealer. So, it looks like that. Yung color niya parang salmon yung kulay. So, I'm just applying that on my under eyes. And I'm gonna blend it using this brush right here. Ito yung kaka-review ko lang na brush from gearbest.com. I really like this brush blending concealer kasi diba maliit siya. Tapos perfect lang talaga siya. Maganda siya pang blend ng concealer kasi super dense niya. Nabe-blend niya talaga ng maayos yung concealer. I'm not sure if this concealer is the right shade for me. I don't think it's doing anything for me. Parang nag-blend lang siya sa skin ko. Parang natural skin color ko lang, ganun. Oh well, ganyan lang. Anyway, maglalagay na lang ako ng powder over it. And I'm gonna be using my Intuit powder. Ito lang ba yung powder na dala ko? No. Ito lang yung makeup routine ko, you guys. Ang tagal ko nang hindi gumagamit ng BB cream, CC cream. So, ito lang. Concealer, tapos powder, and then I fill in my brows, and then I put on lipstick. I will start telling you guys what I have on my face because I get that question a lot and I just always forget to tell you guys. Wait, sa brows ko, lagi naman talagang ito, yung Make Brow na detail. And then yung brush yung ginagamit ko, yung brush lang na kasama sa Meron akong nakita na mirror sa IKEA. Sobrang mura lang, $6 lang. Bibilihan ko sana yun Kaya lang, parang flimsy siya tingnan. So, yung lipstick, or this one is a lip balm. Ito yung gagamitan ko. Ito yung BYS Lip Color Balm. Na-open ko na siya finally. Na-open ko siya actually nung nag-livestream ako kahapon. Very pigmented. Like, look at this, you guys. See? Really, really pigmented. Look at that! Tapos, nagli-leave din siya ng tint sa lips, which I like. So, yeah. Kung nakita niyo to, I'm pretty sure available to sa Pilipinas. BYS Lip Color Balm. It's really good. Really pigmented. Tapos, hindi din nagda-dry yung lips ko sa kanya, which is nice. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng blush. Or, yeah, you know what? I should. Kasi putla na mukha ko tingnan. Ito yung Avon Ideal Luminous Blush in Peach as usual. Diba nasabi ko na sa inyo na dry yung skin ko dito? Actually, mas prefer ko yung dry. Hindi naman sa dry na ang dami ko yung dry patches sa mukha ko. Pero hindi na ako oily at all, which is good. Kasi I was struggling talaga nung oily ako. Pagising ko sa umaga, yung mukha ko parang binuhusan ng mantika na nakakaloka. Parang anong ginawa ko? Bakit ang oily? Hindi naman siya dry. Pero kapag hindi ako naglagay ng moisturizer, may tendency na nagkaka-dry patches ako. Pero I've been using the Neutrogena Naturals na moisturizer. I actually really like it. Like, a little goes a long way. Hindi ko kailangan mag-apply ng marami at all. Nung una, ang dami na in-apply ko kasi nasanay ako sa Eye White Aqua Moisturizer na dinadamihan ko yung pag-apply kasi parang wala lang siya. Kapag nag-blend na siya sa skin, parang wala lang. So, nasanay ako doon. So, nung pag-apply ko ng Neutrogena, dinamihan ko. Tapos, yeah, napadami ng bongga. And hindi kailangan ng madami sa moisturizer na yun. So, yes. Anyway, I still have to do a haul. Look at those stuff right there. Yun yung nabili namin nung nagpunta kami sa Harbor Town, nung nag-shopping kami. This is my lunch. Ito yung dinner namin kagabi. Tapos nagdala kami ng konti para sa lunch ko. Kasi yun yung lagi namin ginagawa. Kapag pumunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya, nagdadala kami ng pagkain kapag merong extra para kainin ko the day after kasi ang sarap-sarap nga naman kasi ng luto ng mama niya. So, that's my lunch. So, yan yung sinabi ko sa inyo last vlog na hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa pasta na yan. But, yeah, that's it, pansit. Let's go have lunch, you guys. Hi guys, tapos na ako mag-lunch and in a bit, what happened to my lips? Anyways, ignore my lips. Naubos ko yung pasta, so Okay lang yung lips na yan. I will go out kasi the weather looks good. Hindi siya umuulan. Parang kahapon umulan tapos the other day umulan. So it's been raining every day pero now it's not. So it looks good. It looks nice and I was gonna say sunny but yeah, sun is out. Pero yeah, I'm gonna go out and get some chicken and look at my plate. Look at my plate. See? I'm so good. Tapos ang dami ng pasta na yun ha, naubos ko. Hinihintay ko lang na ma-charge ng maayos yung phone ko. Kasi the last time I checked 20% lang. I just wanna make sure siguro mga 30% before ako lumabas. Just in case, you know na. Hi guys! I'm now outside. Siguro mga 5-minute walk lang yung supermarket from here. Oh, it's so cold. Parang 18 ata yung temperature ng pag-check ko before ako umalis. So, yeah, just walking. Hindi na ako nagdala ng bag kasi hindi naman kailangan. I'm so excited to get a new camera. I'm getting the G7X sure na talaga kasi parang feeling ko hindi talaga deserving yung 5100. Ang dami ko na nakikitang messages. Salamat nga pala sa lahat nang nag-comment sa video na yun. Sana hindi masyadong windy. Sana okay lang yung audio. Pero yeah, salamat sa mga nag-comment sa video na yun about sa mga cameras. I really appreciate it. It's so cold. Hala, I forgot to retouch my lipstick. Pero okay lang. Okay lang naman, diba? Diyan ako pupunta sa Foodland, Romeo's. Right there. Hindi ko makita yung screen ko, so I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo guys. But I'm going there just to get chicken. Yum! I have the chicken. So, hindi ko masyadong bet yung drumstick eh. Pero ito yung gusto ni Mr. Bear. So, ito na lang kinuha ko. I'm just here at the tuna section. Siguro bibili din ako ng tuna. We'll see. Chips, 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 chips. Oh my gosh. I'm getting this tuna kasi 99 cents lang siya. So, I'm getting that. Nandito ako sa spices area. Baka mahanap ko yung bacon bits na hindi namin mahanap-hanap. So, we'll see kung mayroon sila dito. Look at this you guys. Diba? Modest lang. Stay free, ultra thin. Pero, modest ba or whisper? Hindi ko alam. Pero ganyan na ganyan yung itsura. Nakakaloka. Look at this you guys. Meron silang mga hot offer. $3 per sock. No. Ito, $2.50. Ito yung cute, oh. Mga ano sila, sticky notes. $1 for these. So, ilan ba? Hindi ko alam. Yeah. Uwi na ako. Nandito na yung pinamili ko. Almost home! Malayo-layo din yun, ha? Exercise din yun. Hala! Hala, dito pala sa pocket ko. Hinahanap ko kanina yung wallet ko, eh. Sabi ko, asan na ba yung wallet ko? Ite-text ko sana si Mr. Bear kung alam niya kung nasan yung wallet ko. Kasi pera ko sana yung gagamitin ko. Daw nag-iwan siya ng pera para bumili ng chicken. Pero gusto ko pa rin, you know, pera ko yung gamitin ko. Para kung may makita ako, makakabili ako ng sa akin. Kaya lang hindi ko mahanap yung wallet ko kanina. Hindi ko na lang siya tinext. Baka mag-isip na kung ano-ano, nasa trabaho pa naman. Nandito lang pala sa pocket ko. Napagod ako. Hi guys! I'm cooking dinner. Ooh, can you hear it? We will be having chicken. Yung fried chicken. Ginamit ko yung crispy fry na nabili namin sa Manila Trading. So it looks like that right now. Mr. Bear went for a run, so he will be back in an hour. Kakaalis lang niya eh. And yeah, dinner will be ready when he get back. Good morning guys! I'm having my breakfast and I'm having toyo again. Oh yes! Ay, nakita yung isang sanog. Nakita yung isang sanog. Pero okay lang yan. So, I have my rice right here. Right there. And then I have my coffee. It's actually kind of like a late breakfast kasi bumalik ako sa bed kanina. Sabi ni Mr. Bear, bumalik ka. Kasi lagi akong gumigising kapag gising na siya. Kapag nag-alarm na yung phone niya, gumigising na din ako kasi diba I prepare his lunch. Tapos, kanina, wala namang lunch na kailangan i-prepare kasi meron silang lunch sa work. So, yung prepare ko lang is coffee lang at saka yung banana bread. Nagdala siya ng banana bread. But that's it. Sabi niya, bumalik ka sa bed. Do not make the bed yet. Go back to bed. And that's what I did. Kasi para hindi ako matulog ng maaga mamayang gabi. Kasi it's Friday, you know. Usually kasi, ang aga ko natutulog. Mga 9:30 natutulog na ako kasi pagod na ako. So yeah, sabi ko kanina hindi matutulog ako ulit. Though hindi ako nakatulog agad kasi I was watching videos. Pero nakatulog ako ng mga 30 minutes. I woke up 7:30 tapos natulog ako 30 minutes. So yeah, sabihin na lang natin I woke up 8 kahit na bumangon ako talaga mga malapit ng 10. Hi guys! Nakapag-good morning na ako sa inyo? Yeah, nakapag-good morning na ako. Hapon na ngayon eh. I'm just getting ready. I will be filming a video. I'm gonna film my Q&A video which will be uploaded on Tuesday instead of Monday because of my schedule, whatever. By the way, I'm using the Mary Kay concealer. This is from Syra May on Instagram. You guys, I have another pimp right here. Sobrang liit lang niya though, but I'm pretty sure that's because malapit na yung bisita ko. So, yeah. Pero yung mga pimps ko dito, nawala na sila. Wow, tsaka. Nawala na sila, pero meron pa akong scar na natira like this. And this one right here na medyo natakpan na ng concealer. So, I am trying out this Color Collection Retractable Brow Liner. I actually already used this sa No Mirror Makeup Challenge ng Color Collection which I uploaded on my Facebook. Hindi ko masyadong bet yung mga ganito eh. Lalo na yung mga creamy na brow liner. Look at that. I just don't like it that much. I mean, compared sa powder, I still prefer powder. Pero I'm trying this one out para maiba naman, diba? Kasi lagi na lang yung matte in detail ko yung gamit ko. So, we'll see kung magugustuhan ko siya. Obviously, it's way too dark na. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna remove it. I will be using instead my BYS Brow Definition Kit. And I will be using this shade right here. Yung pinaka-light na shade. Brows done! I ended up using this shade right here instead of this one. Kasi this one parang way too light. For my lips naman, I have been using my True Lips lip liners, you guys. I only have 2 left here kasi yung iba nasa purse ko. Like, kapag ginagamit ko kasi siya, yun yung nilalagay ko sa purse ko. So, I only have 2 left right here. I have number 54 and number 55. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this dark lippy now. I mean, lip liner. Pero I'm gonna go with number 54. So, it's a, as you guys can see, a very nude na shade. Or you know what? No, I'm just gonna use a lipstick today. I will be using, again, my Rose Velvet, yung Revlon. Yung magandang nude na shade. Okay! Look at the lipstick. See? Can you see it better now? I do not know. Pero, I don't know. Pero sobrang pigmented nitong lipstick na to, you guys. You still can see my scar, but that's okay. Scar na siya. So, yeah, I'm ready to film. I will go ahead. Where are we going, Kmart?
Woolworths.
Woolworths. Woolies. We'll go grocery shopping. I have the list right here. I actually need to add the ingredients, but I have it on my phone. I have the screenshot. For your lunch. How much are they? They have Tim Tams for $1. Yeah? Is that good? I haven't seen that before.
Delicious.
Is it?
Yeah. Do you like Snickers?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Maroon loves this.
I love
Snickers.
that. These are really delicious.
Yeah.
We might get a packet. These are good. I love these.
Just one. See, they call it napkins, not serviettes.
Call it that thing, yeah.
Yeah. How many? Just one?
Let's just get to it.
Yeah, let's get two. Where are we, babe?
The reject shop.
Reject. Stop. Oh, maybe I can find my coffee here. We'll see. Later, we will go to Woolies.
I want to hear that.
Oh, yeah, coffee. Oh! No. That's the same one I had before. I don't need that. La 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 la. This is the original?
Yeah, 3-in-1 original.
Hmm.
Do you want to try that?
Yeah, I can try this.
Got any of these canned fruit stuff or not? Eat that
No.
stuff? Yeah.
We're here at Woolies. This is what we have for now. Healthy. This is all the milk they have. Oh no, coffee. No, I don't want those. So that's how you spell servlets or whatever. 95 cents. Dang. We got ours for $1. We're heading back home. Oh yes. Hi guys! We just got home. Nagpunta pala kami. Hindi ko nasabi sa inyo kanina, pero nagpunta kami sa bahay ng kapatid ni Danny Boy. Doon kami nag-dinner kasi in-invite kami. So, yeah, sarap ng pagkain as usual. Yung kinain namin parang basta chicken siya, tapos may parang sarsa. Yun, may sauce. Tapos sabi ko, oh my gosh, ang sarap nito sa rice. Yummers! Hiningi ko nga yung recipe kasi, char, itry ko lutuin kasi sabi ko, masarap to sa rice. Nakita nyo to? Hindi siya ganun kalaki, but I have Mr. Pimp right there. But then again, sanabi ko na kanina, diba, na normal lang yan kasi malapit na ang aking besita. And then, speaking of besita, I have my stuff right here. Pumunta kami sa grocery kanina, diba? So, binili ko to. Doesn't this look like, ano ba, Modest or Whisper? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Pero, diba, kamukhang-kamukha yung packaging. So, I got the all night. And then, I also got Tampax Pearl, TMI. Pero, yeah, I got the regular one. And yeah, yun yung ginagamit ko kapag nagtatampons ako. So, Tampax. I usually get yung malaki na merong regular, tapos heavy, tapos light ata yung isa. Yeah, I usually get that. Malaking box siya, pero wala sila nun eh. So, yung regular na lang yung kinuha ko. And then, I also got this U-liners. Hindi ko pa na-try ito eh. So, itatry ko siya. Ito yung nude. No, U or N? N? U. U nga. Meron siyang 30 nude liners. So, yeah, I'll be all set. Maghuhubad na sana. Kalimutan ko. Nandyan pala kayo. I will just go ahead and wash my face. And actually, I'm just gonna close this vlog today. Kasi baka makalimutan ko na namang magbigod. Sa last vlog ko, nakalimutan ko magbigod. Tapos, may isa sa inyo sabi, magpapakasama daw siya kasi hindi daw ako nagsabi ng bigod. Nakakaloka. Anyway, I will go ahead and go. I will just wash my face. Tapos si Dan nanonood lang ng football. So, I will sit with him and watch football as well. Hanggang sa mapagod and matulog. And that's basically it for tonight. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. Do not forget, be good. Bye. See you tomorrow.